Hello, hello, hello everyone. I hope your Christmas season is bright and cheery, and I also hope that your shopping is all done. I'm sharing this quick video with you to show how I'm going to put together a few candles that I'm going to give out as Christmas gifts this year. So I wanted to paint candles that can be displayed year-round. So I decided to go with cascading blooms over a green garland all around the top of the jars. The first jar has a vine with some berries sprinkled in, and then the second jar has 3 kitty cat silhouettes that I made for a special someone that has 3 cats. Now, because I'm giving these as gifts, I decided to set the tea light candles in a small glass candle holder inside the jar. And I did this because even though the candles that I'm going to be gifting will burn off all of the wax, the next candle that they might set in there could melt differently, and then it could turn everything into a real sandy, waxy cement mess. And I'm just using some tweezers to set the glass holders in the jars so I don't leave any fingerprints on them. The tea light candles I'm using are beeswax, and they come in these little plastic cups, but I don't like the idea of burning anything inside of plastic. And then I'm just dropping the candles right into the holders. I added about a ½ inch of sand in the bottom of the jar because the inside of the jars are not flat, and I want my candle to sit flat so that it burns right. And also, it just wouldn't look right if the candle was sliding to one side. These mesh bags, they're shimmery and they are just so pretty, kind of like icing on the cake. And you can get them cheap online in bulk, different colors and different sizes. In fact, I use them for all of my smaller painted gifts like ornaments, pendants, and candles. All right, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification button so you know as soon as I have a new project to share. Merry Christmas, everyone. I wish you peace, love, and happiness now and always.